Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. You guys should see my screen here. We are still bullish. All right. So we are still very bullish on the markets. If you guys look here, the Dow is breaking resistance. So this is a big deal. We have the S&P already broke resistance. All right. The NASDAQ already broke resistance. Hey Solomon, welcome. And here we have the Dow on the weekly time frame, guys. So this is a big deal. All right, on the weekly time frame, we are breaking resistance right here, and then here is the all-time high. So we are not that far away. The Dow closed on Friday at 34,000, right at 34,300. The high, right, the all-time high where the Dow closed is at 36,000, almost 3,000, 36,300 points. So we're about 2,000 points away from breaking the all-time high, which is just amazing for the Dow to be that close to the all-time high. Okay, so hopefully this week we can finally break through resistance here, and we've got pretty good resistance here. All right. Hopefully, we can break through this resistance this week and hopefully get a buy signal somewhere up in this area here, get a buy signal. All right. The NASDAQ has already broken out, as I mentioned. Right. So we have a buy signal right here on the NASDAQ, broke through resistance right here. The high is a bit further away. All right. For the NASDAQ. So the high, all-time high is all the way up there. So the NASDAQ has some work to do. All right. It has some work to do. All right. But still buy signal, nice price action, moving nicely higher. All right. Every candle here is a week worth of data there. All right. So the S&P, same thing, broke resistance. We got a buy signal here. Now the S&P is a bit closer, right, than the NASDAQ. Here's the all-time highs right here. So we're not too far from the all-time highs. All right. The Russell still needs some work. All right. We got support here. Pretty good support on the Russell here. Here. This is where sellers came in before. Here is the price right here. We have a nice downward trend line. Pretty good support. Triangle being formed here. We need the Russell to break out of this downward trend line to give a buy signal. All right. But it looks like it might continue to consolidate a bit. All right. Through that triangle here. But you never know. All right. The dollar. We talked about the dollar, right? Red candle came in last week. All right. So selling came back in the dollar. We are looking at support. Remember, that $100 support level is a big deal for the dollar. All right. So our Forex traders really keep an eye on the dollar. All right. I know right now in the futures market, it's the dollar is up right now, slightly up in the futures market. But don't be fooled by that. All right. The trend right now on the dollar is down, not long. So we should not be long. All right. The dollar, unless we've been in those trades for a while. All right. We did see a rotation out of the dollar in Monster Scalper and also in Forex Dominator last week. All right. So keep an eye on that. If it gets to 100 and breaks support at $100, right? The dollar, that is the dollar, then we could see the dollar move even further. All right. So that $100 mark here is a big deal. All right. Gold is still holding. Right. So nothing to really talk about when it comes to gold. Right. Try to break out, but kind of holding right here. Right. Buyers are not in control. Sellers are not in control. It's holding resistance right here and resistance right here. All right. But we'll probably see as the market moves higher, we could see gold move lower, but we don't have no real direction yet. All right. Silver, same thing, holding. Crude oil, holding support here. Pound yen, guys, look at this. Our Forex traders, those of us who trade Forex, right? Forex Dominator, Monster Scalper, the yen pairs in particular, pound yen big move last week, guys. So hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of this move. I did hear from several of our traders who took advantage of this move here, not only in pound yen, but with the yen pairs. All right. Let's take a look at, I want to go to the US 30. Let's see where it is. So our futures market, US 30, 1 second here. All right, US 30 long, US 30 long is right here. All right, so we do have a buy signal, guys. We have a buy signal on the US 30. All right, we are hoping that we can see the US 30 break out this week. We got pretty good resistance here on the US 30. Buy signal came in right at resistance. So hopefully we can break out and get some additional good trades from the US 30. All right. So previously we had really good trades with the US 30. There was a long trade here with the US 30, another long trade here, right? And then another long trade here. So 3 really good profitable trades. Those of you trading the US 30, hold off. Do not take any short trades. Let me repeat. Do not take any short trades. All right. We have a buy signal looking to break resistance. We should only be going long. All right. Only be going long. The NAS 100, same thing. Look at that trend, guys, on the NAS 100, right? That NASDAQ has been doing really well. All that buying, look at that, all green candles on the daily time frame, and trading really nice on the hourly time frame also. All right, so great price action. All right, SP, the S&P 500 futures market right here, buy signal here, nice price action here on the daily time frame, and here are the trades, really good trades on the 60 minutes. Okay, so again, on all of these future systems, we should be long. Wait patiently for the next signals. All right. Bitcoin, nothing has changed with Bitcoin. Okay, still consolidating. We close that buy signal. All right. So right now we don't have a buy signal or a sell short signal. So there's nothing to do with Bitcoin. And I think that's the same for Ethereum. Same thing here. All right, let's take a look at Litecoin. Same thing. No buy signal, no sell short signal. So just keep that in mind. All right, nothing with Bitcoin right now. And just remember, all right, we can use Bitcoin as the barometer or as a barometer for the entire crypto market. So you'll notice that most of your crypto should be consolidating. All right, I haven't looked at them. I don't look at all of them, but that's generally what happens. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of future positions we've got going right now in Monster Futures. Where it Monster Futures system right here. Okay, we're gonna run a scan, and we'll come back to this a bit later. But right now, the 2 positions that we have, and then we'll go right into Forex in the futures market. If I don't do it now, I'll forget. All right. So we have, what do we have here? Live cattle. So that live cattle trade, guys, still holding nicely. All right. Buy signal is here. It got some new support and resistance lines right here. All green candles, nothing to do. All right. So there's nothing to do. Hopefully, right, can retest the high here, resistance, and then move higher. That's not really resistance. It's a high right here. Okay. But good trade going in the futures market for live cattle. The next trade that we have is that oats trade, guys. I don't know if who got on this trade, but this is a really good trade we send out. It's turning out to be a really good trade. Hey Betty, welcome. All right, so that oats trade. All right. So buy signal, look at this nice markdown phase, guys. We really like when we know we can get this really nice markdown phase. Buy signal came in here, All right. And look at that price action going right there. All right. This was last week. We called the buy signal on oats. All right. So good price action going there with oats. All right. And then the next trade long, the next long is the S&P. Right. So the S&P, right. Nice long trade there going in monster futures. Okay. So, and you know, with these futures markets, we can do really, really well. It moves fast, but if we're able to manage our emotions, we can really trade that market well. All right. And some of our traders have really done well trading futures. Okay. The short trade, we do have a short trade going. All right. All right. In monster futures, that E-mini corn, all right, that totally reversed. All right. So we got a sell signal to exit. So here was the sell short signal. All right. Buy to cover, exit was right here. Green candles, right? Broke resistance here. So if you guys, anyone traded this, you should have been out of this. Okay. By Thursday. Thursday, you should be out of that. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and remove that. All right. That corn trade. Okay. All right. All right. We send out an alert this evening for Aussie yen in Monster Scalper long. So hopefully you guys got that trade. Okay. It's the only trade that we've sent out. I don't think we had any trades on Thursday. Yeah, I think we had some on Thursday. We didn't have any on Friday, I don't believe. Okay. But Aussie New Zealand right here. Okay. Nice previous trade right here. And we are breaking resistance, pretty good resistance right here. And we have a buy signal on this candle that came in this evening. Okay. So we've sent that trade out to our monster scalper traders, right? Be aware of this trade here. Now, we do have purpose, support, and resistance. That's always a concern. Okay. But that doesn't mean we can't break resistance and move higher and get another great trade like this. All right. So, but I wouldn't go heavy, right? It's a holiday, right? So a holiday. So you might find volatility could be low. And where we've seen that as the markets open this evening, volatility is low. So trade, you can still trade, just trade lightly. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at, go over the trades currently have in Monster Scalper, long positions, and then we'll go through Forex Dominator, and then equities. All right, equities. All right, so the really, as I mentioned, the big trade, good trade right now are those yen pairs. Okay, so those yen pairs for lots of pips, guys. Okay, so hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these trades. Okay, if you did not get in, it's too late. All right, too late to get on these trades. All right, unless you're gonna reduce that time frame. All right, a smaller time frame to try to get on the move. So pound yen, buy signal is here all the way up here. All right, so for a really good trade. All right, that's for about, what's that? Gosh, almost 700 pips. Crazy, right? So pound yen, good trade going here. Your Singapore yen, SGD, JPY, buy signal is here, right? We had a red candle, got out, got back in. All right, that's moving nicely. All right. Aussie yen. Look at Aussie yen, guys. Look at this. Buy signal all the way down there, right at 92, at 97. Okay, so that's about 500 pips. Look at that. Nice price action. So you guys should be all over these trades. All right. Euro yen. Euro yen. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. Swiss yen. Swiss yen. Buy signal is here. Nice price action. All green candles there. ZAR yen. Look at ZAR yen. ZAR yen. I believe ZAR yen is still the number one yen pair trading right now. It might be the number one. Let's take a quick look here. Number one pair in Monster Scalper. Okay, so ZAR yen. It's no longer the number one pair. It's the fourth pair. Euro yen is the number one pair right now. All right, and then pound yen is number three. So the yen pairs are moving. All right, and New Zealand yen. Look at New Zealand yen right here. Good trade there. Going Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen. So all the yen pairs, guys, are moving. You guys should be in these taking these trades if you trade with us. Okay. New Zealand Swiss, sell signal right here, buy signal here, sell signal there. So we should be out of that trade. That's New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand dollar is still holding its buy signal. New Zealand CAD, right? New Zealand CAD still holding white candle. Keep an eye on it. All right. Aussie dollar. Look at Aussie dollar. All right. Buy signal is here all the way up here, guys. Just amazing trades going. Aussie CAD, same thing. Buy signal here, held support, nicely up the mark, up phase. Euro Swiss. Keep an eye on Euro Swiss. It's struggling a bit. Okay. So keep an eye on it. All right. And Euro SGD, that's breaking out. Buy signal is here. That looks good. Euro SGD. All right. Euro dollar also breaking out. All right. We got out here, got back in. All right. Euro HUF. All right. Buy signal is here. Nice price action, moving up nicely. Pound Swiss. Buy signal is here. All green candles moving up nicely. And then pound CAD. Pound CAD. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Okay. So great trades going. And guess what? They've held. So the market opened up today, 5 p.m., and so far they are holding. Okay, they are holding. Let's take a look at the short positions in Forex, in Monster Scalper, and then we'll take a look at Forex Dominator. So short positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. Short positions in Monster Scalper. Dollar USDN, okay. Sell short signal was here, right? So these are new dollar trades, guys, and they're doing well. Dollar ZAR, right? Sell short signal is here, moving all the way down. Look at that dollar ZAR, right? So we're trading long and short, right? Yen long, dollar short. USD CNH, all right, that's an early move right here. It's holding its short position. Just continue to hold it there. USD DKK, sell short signal was here. Nice move down. All right. USD PLN, sell short signal here. Right. And you guys, we talked about the dollar index. The dollar index has been moving lower. All right. And if it breaks that $100 mark, we could see the dollar really make a larger move lower. Okay. It's setting up for that. Pound ZAR. Pound ZAR, sell short signal is here, moving down nicely, trying to get a white candle here. So keep an eye on that. We don't want that. All right. If we get a white candle, right, we can get a green candle, break through this moving average, and then give a sell signal to get out. So keep an eye on it right here. We need sellers to come back in, break through support down there. All right. Euro ZAR, another great trade. So amazing trades, guys. Sell short signal is here. All red candles there. Nothing to do. And Euro NZD, EUR NZD, sell short signal is here. Buyers came in, sell signal by the system. So we should be out. All right. Don't play with these trades. Once we get a sell signal, a red candle, we need to close those trades, be out. Okay. So we're going to close that. Euro NZD, we should be out of that trade. Okay. All right. Now Forex Dominator. Forex Dominator. Let's go over the long positions. Long positions in Forex Dominator. All right, long positions. All right. Dollar CNH. Keep an eye on that dollar CNH. I know it's holding well now, but if that dollar continues to move lower, we could see this dollar pair right here, right, give a sell signal, red candle. And we cleaned things up last week, right? We had dollar pairs that we had to get out of, okay, because of the rotation. All right. So with Forex Dominator. So keep that in mind if anyone is in this. Aussie yen, that looks good, right? Looks good. Look at that price action there. All right. CAD yen. All right. So CAD yen buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Swiss yen buy signal is here, moving up nicely. We can't complain about Forex, guys. All right. Buy signal is here. Nice price action moving up nicely. That's euro yen and pound yen, guys. Buy signal is here. All green candles, nothing to do, straight up. All right. I'm not gonna say we can anticipate a pullback because they haven't been slowing down. So when they pull back, we'll know. Until then, just hold the trades. Okay. HKD JPY, right, moving up nicely. SGD JPY buy signal is hit. Nice price action. ZAR yen in Forex Dominator. Look at that. All right, nice buy signal here, moving up nicely. Pound Swiss, right? These are early moves, early breakouts, right? Pound Swiss, pound HKD, same thing right here. Pound SGD, look at that. Buy signal is here. Nice price action. All right. So, what's that? Aussie CAD, buy signal is here. It's still waiting to break out. Okay. Aussie Swiss, buy signal is here. Nice markdown phase, right? Holding nicely all green candles. Aussie New Zealand, buy signal is here. Breaking resistance here. Aussie dollar buy signal here on a break of this resistance, moving higher here. So great trades, guys. Great, great, great trades. The hope is this week they continue to hold, at least hold and move, continue to move. Okay. All right. Short trades. Take a look at the short trades in Forex Dominator. All right. All right. USD MXN. That's continuing to hold, guys. Sell short signal is here. Nice price action. Look at that. Every day it moves lower and lower and lower. All right. And USD MXN really started that move right a while back. Euro HUF. All right. Keep an eye on this. Sell short signal is here, guys. Okay. We need sellers to come back in. If not, we get a green candle, sell signal, get out of it. All right. Euro GBP. All right. Sell short signal is here. Nice price action all the way down. All right. So most of these pairs, guys, are moving in the right direction. All right. Euro CAD. Sell short signal is here. All red candles. Nothing to do. New Zealand CAD. Sell short signal is here. Look at this. We had a white candle. Sellers are coming back in. We love to see this. Red candles. Okay. Hopefully we can test the lows here. Euro Aussie. Sell short signal is here. Right. Trading right at support here. Hopefully we can break through support, getting to further down the markdown phase. And then here is dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. We talked about dollar CAD. Had really good support right here, guys. You see that? And we really needed dollar CAD to break through support, which we did. All right. Because this was a concern. The last three trades failed. All right. Really could not break resistance. I mean, support down here. So broke support convincingly. Right. We just needed to continue to calm down, get away from this area here. All right. Support. So good trades, guys. Really, really good trades. You guys should be doing well with your trades. Okay. We're going to take a look at the picks in Stock Boss and then Bull Master. Okay. Stock Boss and then Bull Master. All right. All right. As we go through these, we're um, either looking for buys, white candles. All right. So white candles to close the trades. All right. White candles, I'm sorry, white arrows to exit. All right. White candles to just pay attention, and then red candles to exit. Now, what we're going to start doing we have traders that are somewhat conservative. All right. So if you're using the system and you're conservative, you can get out. Okay. So we're gonna add another element where you can get out if you're very conservative, right? Risk adverse, you can get out on a white candle. All right. So, but just be careful. If you get out on a white candle, you can't get back in. Can't play that game. Okay. So if you decide using the system, decide to get on a white candle, right? That's going to be your first real warning, a white candle. You decide to get out. All right. If you get out on a white candle and it does this, you can't get back in. All right. We do have traders that are conservative. Not everyone is aggressive. All right. So as we go through these, right, we'll talk about that also. Okay. All right. So we're looking for white candles, red candles, and sell signals by the system. All right. So stock boss. Hold on. Although the market was down on Friday, it wasn't down by a lot. So most of these stocks should hold. Okay. And we'll go through these quickly. There's a lot of them, so we have to go through them quickly. But stop me if you guys have any questions or any symbols you want me to analyze, take a look at for you. Okay. All right. Green candles here, nothing to do. Let's open this up. And we just want to focus on this area here. And we need to know, do we need to pay close attention or get out? Okay. We should find most of these are holding. All green candles is what we want to see. All right. What's that? AMWL. We've got some white candles here. It's holding support. So if you guys, if any of our traders that are conservative, if you're conservative, you can get out here. Okay. But remember, if it gets a green candle, right, buyers come back in. You can't chase it. Okay. All right. Otherwise, hold it. White candles here, same thing. All right. Right. If you're concerned about it, right, you're conservative, you can get out here. Because if we get a red candle here, guess what? Buy signal is here. All right. That might get you out in here. Okay. So just keep in mind, now, there are a lot of stocks. So it's okay if you do this, right, and find another stock, but you got to find another stock that's giving a new buy signal. Okay. All right. Ideally, we want to stay in these stocks. All right. NMRK, white candle. All right. Continue to hold. SFIX right here. We got some white candles here. Right. You got support right here. We could see buyers come back in. But again, if you're conservative, right, you could close that trade there. And normally don't tell traders that because we want to stay in these trades. You guys look here. Here is one here, right, with white candles, but look at buyers coming back in. Okay, held support, okay. But I know traders, you guys like to have an option there. All right, so that is an option we'll incorporate. All right. Most of these stocks are holding. TWKS, white candle there. It's consolidating. All right. So if you want to hold, just continue to hold. That's fine. You want to close it, that's fine too. All right. We'll hold it. AKBA, white candle there. All right. Let's see here. LTCH, white candle here. Look at this. You see that previous white candle? Look what happened. Buyers came back in, green candles, right? So white candle here, you can get out, okay? But just remember, buyers can come back in here, okay? All right. Same thing here. DM, right? White candle here. ALLK, that's a red candle right here. We've got to close the trade. All right, so buy signal was here on a break of resistance, right? Sellers came in, broke support right here. We don't have a sell signal by the system, but we do have a red candle, so we're going to get out of that trade. So if you're in, anyone is in ALLK, close that trade, okay? All right, what's that? SELB, buy signal was here at $1.31, red candle, right? Sellers came in on Friday at 118, right? First thing tomorrow, markets are closed tomorrow, so Tuesday, get out of this trade if you're in it. SELB, okay? All right, AMPS, white candle, all right? Hold, but if you're conservative, close it. SANA, all right, white candles there, same thing. All right, EDIT, we do have a sell signal. That trade failed, so the buy signal was at 894. Sell signal came in on Friday at 876. We should be out of this trade. Red candle, not only do we have a red candle, we have a sell signal also by the system, okay? All right, so close that trade. We'll remove it here. EDIT. HOUS, white candle. All right, you know what to do there. YMAB, we have a sell signal and a red candle. Okay, so buy signal came in at 496. All right, not a bad trade here. All right, sell signal came in at 754. So bought here, sold here, red candle. Here is support. Where is support? I can't even find support here, but we got a sell signal, red candle, sell signal. We should be out. YMAB. So we'll remove that. All right. Good trade though. That was a good trade there. And we're almost done with Stock Boss. We will look for new opportunities this evening. AEVA, white candle there. All right. So either get out if you want to, if you're conservative, or hold it. Okay. All right. So those are all the stocks in Stock Boss that we're currently tracking. Now these are the stocks in Bullmaster. Remember, Stock Boss, those are stocks that are under $10, right? Under $10. Bullmaster, over $10. All right. Okay. Look at that. Good price action here. Again, we're looking for white candles, red candles, or sell signals. And Bullmaster has been doing a great job holding these trades. Look at that. These trades all came in at the buy signal. Look at this one here. All right. Adobe buy signal was at 384. It's at what? 485. Great for call options. Or it was. Look at KDNY. All right. Buy signal came in at $23, $38. All right. Good price action in most of these all green candles, what we like to see. Keep an eye on, 1 second here. Hold on. All right, keep an eye on SMTC, white candles there, guys, okay? Ford is looking well. Even with the down day on Friday, most of these stocks are holding, if not the majority of them are holding fine. DOCU, right? DOCU, white candles. All right. So if you're conservative, get out because you could get red candles to follow. Okay. So that warning, white candles, that's a warning there. So if you want to get out on that warning, that's fine. All right. You don't have to wait for sellers to come in, but just know that buyers can come back in. Okay. Don't chase it if that happens. Keep going. Halfway there with Bullmaster. Most of these stocks are holding. Let's see here. All right, UMBF, white candle here holding support. All right, so hold on to it. But again, if you're conservative, you can get out right at support there. Don't chase it. Let's see here. Same thing with SWTX, a lot of white candles here. Okay, so sometimes, when they're doing like this, you can find other stocks that are breaking out nicely. All right, so rather than waiting, right, there's so many opportunities, and that's why we're saying there's so many opportunities. So if it gets a white candle and it starts to consolidate, you might find another opportunity. Right, take that capital, put it somewhere else. Okay. All right. All right. RCKT, white candle here, same thing. All right. This one looks like we could get buyers to come back in. All right. And perhaps break resistance there. All right. Vana. All right. IMVT, right? Buy signal came in at 1743. Sell signal came in at 20, right? Broke support right here with the white candle, right? Broke support, sell signal by the system, to get out. Okay. So we should be out of that trade. Let's remove it. All right, and that's it for Monster Scalper. So we had to remove a couple, no big deal. Most of the trades are holding. All right, we're going to go over picks, new picks. We did have that one pick in Monster Scalper. What was it? Aussie, New Zealand. Most of the trades in Monster Scalper are just holding, and Forex Dominator are holding. We cleaned up some of the dollar pairs last week, but so we don't have a lot of picks, new opportunities. Okay, most of those trades are already in solid in their trend in the markup phase. But let's take a look at equities here. We'll take a look at Stock Boss. Let's run it. Make sure we have 111 symbols here. We've got quite a bit healthcare, and let's see, technology. All right, quite a bit in technology, but we'll go through, and we're looking for new buy signals that came in on Friday. New buy signals that came in on Friday. We'll go through these quickly. All right, buy signals that came in on the day. All right, so we want to look over here. All right, so we're looking for buy signals. This blue arrow here is our buy signal. Okay, that came in on the day, which would be the last candle here, is what we're looking for. And we'll go through this quickly. All right. WKHS. All right. All right. We don't have that, so we'll add it. All right. WKHS in Stock Boss. All right. Good markdown phase. That stock fell from what? Look at this. Look at this markdown phase, guys. Open out your chart so you can see. Fell from 17. All right, trading right now. Buy signal came in right here at $1, right at $1.07. Okay. All right. So let's keep going. New buy signals. Keep in mind, most of these are running. All right. SE and S. Make sure we're not in it. SENS. All right. Descent markdown phase. Buy signal came in on Friday. SENS. And as always, our stock bus traders will send those out to you guys later this evening. Yeah. A big buy signal, but chart doesn't look great. ILPT. We're in this one. HUYA. All right. We'll add this one, HUYA. Look at this. Really good markdown phase here, guys. Breaking out. Buy signal right here. Broke resistance. All right. It's still near the buy signal. We'll add that nice markdown phase, HUYA. And that's in Stock Boss. So we're halfway there in Stock Boss. EB, win EB. Most of these we're in already. We've been tracking these for a while now, guys. Note, we're in Note. PRST. Let's make sure. All right. And the bad trade here. Really made a move down. Pretty good support down here. I'm getting ready to break resistance, so we'll add that. PRST. And that's in Stock Boss. Let's keep going. QS. Buy signal came in on Friday, guys. Look at this. Nice markdown phase. Fell from $40, right? Buy signal came in at 762. Let's make sure we're not in it. I don't think so. All right. So QS in Stock Boss. Okay. RXT. RXT. All right. We're in that one. Okay, so that buy signal came in on, looks like on Thursday. So we got in on Thursday. All right, so we're in this one already. Another very good chart. 1 second here. Let's open this up more. Let's see here. Not bad. Decent markdown phase. We have a lot of consolidation in here. It's got to get past this. But the market is holding. So SHCR, SHCR. You can't trade all of them. Just find the best ones. Find your opportunities. SH. All right. We don't have this one. So we'll add it. SHCR. SKLZ. SKLZ. All right, let's take a look at it. Buy signal came in on Friday. All right. Decent risk reward. This fell from 21, right? Traded on Friday at 69 cents, guys. Look at this. All right. So good risk reward. SKLZ. All right, in Stock Boss. So we're finding stocks this evening in Stock Boss. CLVT, another good one here. We can just see, just by looking at these, we can see decent markdown phase. CLVT, buy signal came in on Friday. Right, so we'll add this one. CLVT in Stock Boss. We've got 8 already in Stock Boss. That's quite a bit. We in SOUN. Stand. All right. CIFR. CIFR. We're not in that one. All right. So a decent markdown phase. All right. A bit of consolidation in here, but it's getting past that. Buy signal came in. All right. On Friday with a big candle right there. CIFR. And that's in Stock Boss. CIFR. Okay. We got a buy signal on this one on Friday, INVZ, but a lot of high consolidation, guys. So we want to take this one here. If that consolidation was down at the bottom, would be better, but that's too high there. API, look at this. Good trade setting up there, guys. No buy signal yet. All right. That fell from about $50, trading at 346. All right. So our stock boss traders, keep an eye on that one. All right. So that's it for stock boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster, and we'll be done. We might go a bit over. All right. But we had a lot in stock boss this evening. All right. So Bullmaster. Remember, Bullmaster, $10 and higher, right? These are large caps. So 159, right? 159. And let's see where capital is flowing. So healthcare, and again, I'm sure technology, right? So all of these are technology stocks. So technology, 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 technology. All right, technology. Look at that. All these are technology stocks. Okay, so your priority, you can trade any of these, but your priority are these technology stocks. So let's go through these quickly. We're looking for buy signals that came in on Friday. Buy signals that came in on Friday, and then we'll be done. The market's moving. So normally, guys, we don't have all these opportunities. Right? So market's moving. We're in this one. RIVN in Bullmaster. RIVN. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. Good risk reward. That fell from what, 175. Look at that, guys. Trading at $14, right? Try to break resistance today. Buy signal on Friday. Buy signal right here. So we'll add that RIVN in Bullmaster. All right. All right. Nothing here. We're looking for new buy signals that came in on Friday. We need that last candle to have a buy signal. If not, we're just gonna go past them. All right, VERV, VERV. All right, that's a good one there. VERV. All right, another buy signal here. Not a very good chart, guys. Look at this. That's not good there. Not a very good chart. What's that? Airbnb. Look at that, guys. Very choppy. Buy signal here, getting ready to break resistance, but look at that. A lot of consolidation in here. If it can get past in here, which it looks like it will, but look at this, we've got to deal with. Okay, so it doesn't have a smooth markdown phase. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this one here. Oh, not a very good chart, guys. Never mind. And most of these we're in. The ones that are moving, guys, that are trending up, most of those we're in already. We're in this one. We've been adding symbols to this for over a month now. All right. When in doubt, guys, right, zoom out of your chart so you can see the real move. Okay. HOOD. All right. So we got one here. HOOD in Bullmaster. All right. Nice markdown phase. Good risk reward. Fell from $80 or so. All right. $80. And now trading at $10 and breaking through resistance right here. Okay. So good trade going there. All right. Very choppy there. We're almost done. We've been getting lucky with the last few evenings. The last picks have been good. Choppy, very choppy. So many stocks. That's amazing. We haven't seen this type of price action in years, guys. So the market is definitely bullish or more bullish. All right, I think that's it. That's the last one. All right, so we've got 3 in Bullmaster, about 10, 11 in Stock Boss. Okay, so not bad. All right. So just remember, we do have buy signals on the Dow, right? S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. VIX is at 1354, which is good. We could see the VIX, guys, move lower, right, to 12, 11, all right? And look at the sectors here. We've got we have all our sectors, only 2 that's down. All the rest are up, right? And the indexes, major indexes are up, VIX is down. We could not ask for a better environment to trade stocks, all right? So find your opportunities. Find your opportunities, all right? I will see you guys tomorrow, all right, for our next class. Those of you fathers, happy Father's Day, all right? And I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.